Good morning, Ma'am Ivy. This is my science project. Today I will demonstrate the scooping method. The scooping method is a separation technique used to transfer solid materials from one container to another using a scoop or spoon. It is commonly used for dry solids that are too small, too many, or difficult to pick by hand. This method helps transfer the material safely and neatly while preventing spills or contamination. For this demonstration, I will use mung beans or mungo and 2 containers. First, I will use the scoop to collect the dry mungo. The first container, then I will carefully transfer them into the second container. I will repeat the process until all the mung beans have been transferred, making sure not to spill any. The scooping method is useful in science laboratories, kitchens, and other places where small solid materials need to be transferred safely and efficiently. This is Jedrick Navarro from Grade 6 Bonifacio. Thank you for watching.